Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury, and today I heard a rumor, and this rumor was that there were dinosaurs in New York City. Yes, who knew? Who knew? Dinosaurs in New York City. I'm here to find out if this is true or not, and I'm going to do some investigating. So I am here at Rockefeller Center, and this is actually to celebrate Jurassic World coming out. So let's go see if we can spot some dinos. Yes. So Rockefeller Center, always famous at Christmas time, but here we are in the middle of the summer. Looking for dinosaurs. Let's see. Coming up on the turn here. I don't see any dinos. I was expecting a dino over here. There was no dino when I made the turn. I'm not giving up yet. I am on a quest. And much like in D&D, and when you are on a quest, foolhardy or not, I'm trying to follow through. Regardless, we are looking for dinos. So down here, this is usually where ice skating is. But right now it's a whole like cafe. There's a whole restaurant set up. But no dinosaurs. No dinosaurs there. Oh, y'all. Do you see it? Okay, y'all. Okay. Welcome to Jurassic Park. I found the dino. I found him. I found the dino. We're gonna go and get a closer look, but this is a success. This mission was not foolhardy. This was a successful mission. So to celebrate Jurassic World Rebirth, we have a 5-story dinosaur. 5 stories in the middle of New York. I mean, like, look at his hoof. Look at his dino hoof. Let's go in for a closer look. Oh, he has all this lush vegetation, so he has his noms. But like, imagine if he was an elephant, it would like stop there. But no, he's a dinosaur, so it keeps on going. Let's go to the other side. Dinosaurs in New York. Man, like, I knew there were dinosaurs on spaceships. Hashtag Doctor Who. But dinosaurs in New York. But like, look how magnificent it is. This is a really magnificent dinosaur. Right here in Rockefeller Center. He's got a big swoopy tail, big old dino head. Look at this guy, just towering out here, looking over all the people going by, living his best dino life. I wonder what this dino is looking at. Let's see if we can figure out what the dino is looking at. So it won't be exact, but his head is pointed that way. So he's kind of looking between buildings over there. Like right there. That's what the dino is looking at. I just kind of half expecting the dino to start taking steps and just like wandering around like Godzilla, or, you know, just leaving his paddock and just exploring the streets of New York City, as a dino would do. I feel like we need to give this dino a name. What is everyone's suggestions for this dino's name? I'm open to suggestions, but I feel like it deserves a name because it is just so grand and excellent. So put your suggestions for the dinosaur's name in the comments. I'm very curious what y'all are gonna come up with for this. can't be Gertie, because Gertie's already taken. Gertie is the dinosaur at Disney Hollywood Studios, so it can't be Gertie. But beyond that, I think we're pretty open. You know, like, I mean, not Godzilla, because Godzilla's already taken also. But not Gertie, not Godzilla. Stay away from the G's, right? And then you'll be cool. So let me know, what do you think this dino's name is? You know, when people ask me why I love New York so much, it's because of things like this, where there's just like these unexpected things that you could just stumble upon. And this is free for anyone to come and see this dino. And it just brings joy. There is just so much joy in wandering through New York and coming across a giant 5'5" dino, right? Like, who wouldn't have joy in this moment? It would be pretty hard. So that is my take on this and my visit to see the giant dino in the middle of New York City. So this dino is only on display until July 5th, and I know this video is gonna be going up after that, so I apologize for not getting it up sooner, but this was the fastest I could get it up. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to vicariously enjoy the dinosaur in New York. And I guess with that, I am done for the day. I'll see you all real soon. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.